ingredients are 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup water, and half a cup whole milk, and of course yeast. 9 grams of yeast, which is about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add that. Mix the whole milk and water, and I'm going to warm it up to lukewarm temperature in microwave. So I'm going to start with 1 minute. Yep, it's nice lukewarm. I'm going to add the yeast. Give it a stir. Add sugar. Give it a stir. Keep aside. Add the sea salt. Mix it well. And I'm going to add this in the food processor in dough mode. Look at this, the yeast. And we are going to add this in the food processor and mix it well. Looks nice and soft. Knead well and keep aside in one place for about 2 hours. Look at this. It's almost double. Now I'm going to knead it and going to put in the bread pan.